Week 2 Overview. From Week 1, I acknowledge a couple of you had trouble getting into our course at the beginning of the week, so I extended discussion forum until Tuesday night, Mountain Time, so you have time to wrap up. Here, keep in mind that interactions online is important because those interactions can help us in improving our understanding of the topic. Try to put our thoughts early in the week, then you will have time to reply and interact with your peers. Although there is no set number of responses required, I believe constructive feedback will create community of learning. I'm confident we can make that happen in this course. Also, I realized some assignments you needed to complete the readiness activity weren't published until Thursday night. For those who took the quiz before Friday, you may retake it if you wish. Anyhow, if you missed those questions, I'll adjust your scores. Next, what's going on this week? After reading Chapter 2 and checking out Week 2 activities, try and investigate a tool or tools for brainstorming, sketchnoting, or design, and then share your thoughts to the class. Lastly, you may notice most assignments are available to view now. If you wish, you may check them out. I hope this would help you plan your time for this course. Thanks. Have a great week.